How many of you out there have to buy groceries, pay bills? Yeah, probably most of you. Now, what if I told you you're missing out on free money you're entitled to? It's simple. It's an app called Empowered. Not only does it track your budget, it allows you to open up a checking account that comes with a debit card that earns you 1% cash back on every single purchase, no matter what its category is. Also, a very competitive savings account that's earning you money back for your savings as well. Now, if you sign up using the link in the description below, it'll give you a boost for a 30-day trial period. There's no monthly fee, it's FDIC insured, so your money is safe, and there's no annual fee either. There's no minimums to keep the account free. Plus, you have access to over 25,000 ATMs, and you get one out-of-network reimbursement anywhere in the world. And while you're at it, you can simply link your Empower card to Dosh using the link in the description below. Dosh is another app that will give you additional savings with merchants near you. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And of course, have a great day and make some money.